In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude mobile apps in a Google display campaign using Google Ads. Whether you've run into issues with your ads showing up in mobile apps where they're not your target audience, or you're simply looking to optimize your display campaign, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. To begin, you'll want to open your Google Ads account and make sure you're on the overview page. This is your starting point, as it provides a summary of your campaigns and the general performance metrics of your ads. From here, you'll want to look towards the top of your screen and locate the Tools icon. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear showing various tools and settings you can adjust. Next, go ahead and click on the Budgets and Bidding option. This section of your Google Ads account is where you'll manage how your ad budgets are allocated and how your bids are set. Once inside, you'll notice there's a tab labeled Adjustments. This is the spot where you can make modifications to your bidding strategies and other related settings. Click on Adjustments, and then you'll want to look for Exclusions, which will allow you to specifically exclude mobile app traffic. In the Exclusion section, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new exclusion lists. Click on that plus icon to get started. To keep things organized, it's a good idea to give your exclusion a specific name that reflects its purpose. You can add this name in the designated field. If you feel it's necessary, there's also an option to include a short description. This can be useful if you need to remember why you created this exclusion at a later date, or if you're collaborating with a team. As you scroll down the page, you should see an option related to mobile phones. Make sure you click on this, which designates that you want to specifically exclude mobile apps from your display campaign. This is an important step as it directly targets mobile app placements and tells Google Ads not to serve your display ads there. Finally, after you've set everything to your liking, be sure to click Save. This final action will ensure that all your changes are implemented and that your display campaign no longer targets mobile apps. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully excluded mobile apps from your Google display campaign. This simple adjustment can significantly improve the performance of your campaign by ensuring your ads reach the most relevant audiences possible. With that, you can now feel more confident that your display ads are being shown in the right places and driving better results for your business.